Metastatic tumors of ovary. Now, the ovary is a common site of involvement for metastasis. It is 7% of the lesions which are presenting as primary ovarian tumors are actually metastatic in origin. The ovarian metastatic tumors, they present as masses. The commonest sites where metastases are present in ovary are female genital tract, large intestine, stomach, and breast carcinomas. Krukenberg tumor are due to gastric carcinomas metastatic to ovaries and now refers to as any cancer with signet ring cells appearance of any origin. The gross features: bilateral ill-defined masses in 75% of cases. Direct extension, transcelomic dissemination, and spread through lymphatic are important routes, but hematogenous spread plays the most important role. They are present either solitary or multiple discrete nodules on the ovarian surface. They are mostly solid in nature but may form one or more cysts. Microscopic features: the metastatic carcinomas to the ovary are mostly adenocarcinomas. They usually involve the cortex and hilum of the ovary. These tumors are on the surface and have a desmoplastic stroma, and their morphology is different from the primary tumors of the ovary. There is a segmental destruction of glands and lack of squamous metaplasia. Now, the most important differential diagnosis in this case is primary mucinous adenocarcinoma of the ovary. Now, this primary mucinous adenocarcinoma of the ovary is mostly unilateral, have an expansile pattern of invasion, a complex papillary structure, a size over 10 centimeter, a smooth external surface, and the signet ring cell in the stroma is a rare feature. But also, in this primary mucinous adenocarcinoma, one can find benign and borderline appearing foci of the tumor. Now, when compared to the Krukenberg tumors, they are bilateral in more than 75% of the patients and mainly composed of signet ring cells. In Krukenberg tumors, there may be complete replacement of the ovarian parenchyma with signet ring cells and glandular structures. Now, this photograph shows the microscopic appearance of Krukenberg tumor of the ovary. Now, you can well see in this photograph that there are neoplastic cells which are arranged in glandular pattern, and some of these neoplastic cells, they have got a signet ring appearance due to the presence of intracellular mucin, and these cells are present in the dense stroma of the ovary and replacing its architecture.